So previously I showed you how to add the app bar. In this case I want to show you how to add a bottom navigator, and so in this case it's already defined as well inside the scaffold widget. It has some cool features. We just say bottom navigator, then this bottom navigator accepts anything that you can put in there. So I'll just say container, then I'll just say height. For this purpose I'll just say screen height times 0.1. then I'll say width is the screen width, like that. Then so that you can clearly see exactly the results, I'll say change the color there. Then once I reload, you see there's the bottom navigator. Now in this case, because it's a container, I can clearly just put anything, be it a column, be it a row, whichever thing you want to put on the bottom navigator. In this case, let's just put a text and just say this is the bottom of the app, that is. Then once I reload, I need to change the color so that you can clearly see. Let's say style, then text style, then I'll add the color being white. Once I add the white, I'm pretty sure it wants me to do that. There it is. Of course I can align it to the center so that it just looks nice. Okay, so there it is. As you can see, I have my app bar, then I have my bottom navigator. So in this case you can add as many options as possible. You can even add a row with icons where you want to create your own bottom navigation. That's very possible. Or you can just use another package, but in this case, without adding any package, you can actually use this bottom navigator inside the scaffold widget.